Danny couldn't come today, but I brought some other people. Sweet.
Hello.
Oh my god! I know you from YouTube! So do I.
Wow.
That's awesome. You're famous.
Must be.
Oh, and also I should have asked for like the ring sizes you need to buy. Oh yeah. Because I was looking at ring board and there's just too many things.
I could write it down and give you a piece of paper.
Yeah,
or I could
that'd be awesome.
At some point, I'm totally gonna make a video about how to make the That's awesome.
Everybody came on time, and this person was for one. Since I played.
Don't worry.
When's the last one? It's not as funny when like I see Tarun, and Tarun's like, I haven't juggled in a while. The last time I juggled was the last time you were here. But I hear you can China now.
Yeah. He's working on his startup.
I heard from Jakob, he's like completely.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. But Jakob said hi. You guys have been seeing me forever, and you know I offered to like talk to you and then tell you how to go. You know, because that's apparently the status of the
Yeah, sure.
Go through me and not to find out anything about each other.
I just watched this.
Okay?
First person.
What?
Busy.
Oops.
Samsung, I think, Samsung?
He told me he might not make today because he's finishing up a paper or something. Thanks.
Come on. I just feel like it, but not everybody thinks it. And Travis is like it. Also, notice that by dropping on your show on the Monday before, this means that Tony Young has quit juggling club also. None of us will ever. So like, there are no club catching. No, so we're trying to train them. And see if we have one. Yeah, good. No, how do you know when I had it decided? I walked in, looked at it, and decided to probably get it. Because Jaco got that last time. What?
Ah.